Okay guys, so just woke up, coming downstairs, gonna get a bite to eat just before I compete for 6x6. Okay guys, so making my way into the conference center. And here we are. Wow. Oh my god. Mitch is here. Okay, so I just registered, and here is Nats 2016. Hi, can I have a thunderclap fee?
You can talk to Waffle about that.
And do you have silk?
Yeah. Okay.
Can I have one silk, please?
Okay. Okay. Just probably be around throughout the day.
Alright, your total's gonna be 17. I mean 19, my bad.
What's life classes?
3x3 stickers.
Thank you. Yep.
Yeah.
Dude, Nats is gonna be super fun.
Okay, I'm gonna do this solve and then I'm gonna go see if I'm off.
Oh, dude, my 6x6 time today is gonna be good. Trust me.
Is it
I
ready?
just feel it. Yeah. I can smell it.
I can smell your times.
Okay, that doesn't count.
Doesn't work.
Yeah.
It was beyond
Like, this is an easy one to deal with.
Yeah, I was so it was not cooperating.
That's horrible. Bad.
So just in one piece it still counts?
Yep. But if it's two, then you're screwed. Yep. Oh, no.
It might happen.
Yeah, just get
Okay.
that one.
Let's see.
You might have done it from the wrong angle.
No, this is progress. This is good. This is good. This is good.
Parker, I wish you could. Do you have anything I can shout you out with?
No, actually.
Nothing? Not even a personal Instagram?
Oh,
Not
on
even,
Instagram, but I don't know how people would spell it.
whatever. We'll spell it out so I remember. Go.
EDAPAKER.
Okay.
What did I do, dude?
Nice.
Blue stage heat 3, 6x6 blue stage heat 3.
Yeah, I really am.
Bring your
I'm ready.
6x6 solve to the drop-off table and sit in the competitors area. Once again, heat 3 for both the red and blue stages, 6x6 has been called.
No. Has to be a peel on step. Wow. TB though.
Overall or in comp?
Ready. guys, so the cubicle.us is streaming right here. They're doing Tesla challenges. This is Ty right here. But then we have the camera. There's mainly the audio is coming from right there. And then the camera, not the camera, the microphone is right here. Here's Ranja. Oh, nice. So he's just monitoring right here. And then, yeah, kind of behind the scenes right here. So if you're watching the stream, this is where it's coming from. Also here, everything is empty. It looks pretty cool right here. And then we have the orange stage right back there. And right here, this is the Cubologist camera. Looks pretty awesome if you ask me. Sweet.
Ghetto.
Are you gonna guess a few? I am. Okay. Here's your side A.
Okay, another behind the scenes. We got Laser Monkey, Cubologist, Phil. Here is the camera. The camera is a webcam. And here we go.
Over the years, Ronza and I have collected many cubes. We both started cubing in 2009, so we're really old. So we have a ton of cubes from 2009 to 2016, and today, 8 competitors. Don't disassemble anything. These are our cubes. Yeah. We don't want to move. Good luck. No, there's something left.
8 seconds.
Just a reminder that there is no flash photography in this room. Please, no flash photography.
Ready.
Of all the competitors I've judged, your camera is the highest.
Oh, really?
You ready?
Yes.
And he clubbed it up.
I got like 50 or something.
Still pretty consistent. I hope I still got it.
Okay, it is time for
I just calculated it. It should be 129.80.
Theo!
God. Oh my God. Seriously. What do you think you're gonna get? Are you gonna beat Livia?
No.
No? Are you gonna be Ty? Are you gonna be Ty?
Maybe. I like never.
Wait, is this autofocus? It better be autofocus. Okay, there we go. Yo, today.
Subscribe to Wolf21. Pyramid sucks. Oblagoogie. That's enough.
Yes. Today, how long has it taken you to figure out how to solve last layer?
I still don't understand.
You still? How long has it been though? I don't like 5 hours. Levi, what do you average?
I average 69.420 seconds.
Yo guys, so I just went back to Riley Edwards' room, our YouTuber.
Oh, are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
I'm in a vlog! Guys, room 514, hit us up.
But
Look.
I just took this amazing picture of him. Here, look. I need to focus. Okay, you focus. You focus.
Wait, are you on manual focus?
Yeah.
Put the link in the description.
I'll put a link to it in the description. It
My
is
account's
a
private. You have to follow
beautiful picture. So yeah, we're just chilling in his room. So yeah. Okay guys, so we have a few Canadian guests over here. Here we go.
Hi.
So right here's Ryan and Emily.
Hello.
And they've been setting up cubes for the past 2 hours, and I've been talking to them, and it's really fun. So say stuff right now, or promote your Instagram.
My Instagram, that'll be in the description.
Yep, and there's a name right here.
Turtle Cubing. You can search me up on YouTube. You can search me up on Twitter. You can search me up on Google and find my news interviews.
And you can look at my Instagram, which will be in the description near his. It's 80 Music, and it's a pretty cool Instagram.
Okay, so Ryan is actually a modder. So here is a 4x4 barrel. Apparently he likes barrels, right? Yeah. Yeah. So here's a 4x4 barrel. It's pretty smooth, very rounded. It's one of the few that are pretty good. And now we have a very heavy 3x3. There's probably like 3 pounds of milliput. Yeah, this thing is super heavy. Very smooth though, once again, and the barrel retains its shape as well. And here we have my favorite, which is very hard to solve. This is the Chi Square 1 barrel. Never seen one of these in person. It's really cool. Yep. I tried solving it. I only got to all I had left was the permutations, and then he had to solve it for me, and he taught me a new alg for H-Prim, so that's cool. Okay, so what do you have in plan for in the near future?
5x5, 6x6, and 7x7 barrel, and then I'm gonna try barreling a Pyraminx too.
Oh yeah, like octahedron or something.
I already tried that. It didn't work out very well. You can see that on my Instagram. I'm going to be redoing it though, so
okay,
stay
cool.
tuned for that.
Nice. Okay, so Ryan's gonna be lubing my Waylong GTS because mine is horrible and super slow. Okay guys, so Emily said that she needed a cube to set up, so she's gonna set up my Guoguan Yushao. That's pretty much dead right now because I solved it too many times. Yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, so I didn't really update you about my cubes that Emily and Ryan were lubing. So Ryan actually took the cube with him. I let him keep it overnight just so he could break it in because he dumped a lot of weight too in it. And then Emily basically just trashed my Guoguan Yushao. It has so much weight one in it right now, it's crazy. It's really hard to turn. It was interesting, alright. So here's my setup right here for practicing. My bed is right here, and then I can just practice when I want. So that's pretty cool. I'm really excited for tomorrow, which is day 2, because I made round 2 for like 3 events, 5x5 Scube. I'm not sure. There's another event. I'm not really sure. But yeah, I'm really pumped for tomorrow. Tomorrow's 3x3 as well, so I'll be practicing that a lot, and 4x4 as well. And then you have 2x2, which is obviously going to be okay. So that's it for this video. If you really enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I really enjoyed meeting some of you fans today. It was a very enjoyable experience on first day of nationals. So that's it. See you guys tomorrow.